Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day today. Well, today we're going to be discussing something that's very important to me when it comes to selecting a vehicle, and that is vehicle safety. I want to know how safe it is. If my family gets in a car accident, is this vehicle going to hold up? And I do own two electric vehicles. I have a Rivian R1S and a Rivian R1T. And in my comment section, I always get a lot of claims that electric vehicles are just not safe. You don't want to get in a car accident in these things. They're going to explode. So what we're going to do today, we're going to look and see if the claim that electric vehicles are less safe than their internal combustion engine counterparts are supported by the facts. So let's go ahead and get into this. First of all, vehicle safety is very important to me. It's high on my list. And when I'm looking at vehicle features, I'm looking at all those safety features. I want to make sure I have the latest and greatest. And one of the reasons why is that according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, in 2023, 40,990 people died in fatal accidents. And some of you may have been affected by this personally. I want to try to mitigate this as much as possible. I know a lot of things you just cannot control in life, but you can mitigate risk. And that is why I'm always looking at the safety aspect. Well, someone may ask, well, if that is true, why do you own an electric vehicle if you really cared about your family? Well, let's look and see if that is supported by facts. And so right now I'm going to take you to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's website, and we're going to look and see how they rated all the cars, including electric vehicles. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety is an independent, nonprofit, scientific, and educational organization dedicated to reducing deaths, injuries, and property damage from motor vehicle and vehicle crashes through research, evaluation, through education of consumers, policymakers, and safety professionals. And so that's what they do. They test all these vehicles, and I'm sure you've probably seen these crash tests done. So what we're going to do next is look at the 2024 Top Safety Picks. And then basically what it says, the overview says vehicles that perform best in our evaluations qualify for a Top Safety Pick, which has been awarded since the 2006 model year, or Top Safety Pick Plus, which was inaugurated in 2013. So these awards identify the best vehicle choices for safety within size categories during a given year. Larger, heavier vehicles generally afford more protection than smaller, lighter ones. Thus, a small car that qualifies for an award may not protect its occupants as well as a bigger vehicle that does not earn the award. And so let's go ahead and look at these vehicles next. And one thing, before we get into this, one thing about electric vehicles versus their internal combustion engine counterparts is that they're normally a lot heavier, and that's because of that battery in the vehicle. And also, that battery provides a lower center of gravity for those vehicles, so they're better doing rollovers. And I just wanted to point that out before we get into these vehicles here. Okay, as far as the small cars are concerned, and I don't see any electric vehicles here. Okay, let's move on to the next one, the mid-size vehicles. And you see right here, we have the Hyundai Ioniq 6 four-door sedan. That's an electric vehicle. And luxury mid-size car, that's by itself. And so as far as electric cars are concerned, we have the Genesis GV80. Let's keep going on. Small SUVs. We have the Genesis GV60, which is electric. And also we have the Hyundai Ioniq 5. And also the Hyundai Kona four-door SUV. And also the 2024 Lexus RZ four-door SUV. And the Subaru Solterra. And now moving on to the midsize SUV. In the midsize SUVs, we have the Nissan Ariya four-door SUV. And moving along, midsize luxury SUVs, we have the 2024 Audi Q4 e-tron. And also we have the Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron. And we have the Tesla Model Y four-door SUV Top Safety Pick Plus and the Tesla Model Y. And also we have the 2024 Audi Q8 e-tron and also the Q8 Sportback e-tron. And also the Rivian R1S earned Top Safety Pick. As far as minivan vans, there are no electric minivans and small pickup trucks. There are no electric small pickup trucks. And then we have large pickup trucks. And you see right here, the Rivian R1T right here. And let's go over here. We're just kind of filter this out again. Okay, we're just going to go here. We're going to only select the Top Safety Pick Plus winners. And we're going to see how many electric vehicles made this. And Top Safety Pick Plus, we have the Hyundai Ioniq 6. And we also have the electrified Genesis GV80 four-door. We have the Genesis GV60. We have the 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5, the Hyundai Kona four-door SUV. And as far as the midsize is concerned, there's no electric here. And we have the Tesla Model Y as far as the midsize luxury SUVs. And as far as large pickups, we have the Rivian R1T, which was the only large pickup truck to get the awarded the Top Safety Pick Plus. And this is why I selected an electric vehicle. And let's go someplace else. Let's go over here, and I'm going to show you some more data right here. This is also an article from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. And let's just go down to the bottom. Let's go right here, and we're just going to talk about electric vehicles. And right here it says the updated data shows the rate of injury claims related to drivers and passengers of electric vehicles were more than 40% lower than for identical conventional models over 2011 through 2019. So 40% less likely to get injured in an electric vehicle versus an identical internal combustion engine vehicles. So yes, it is clear that it is safer to be in an electric vehicle. Now, you may have to say, well, yeah, it's more expensive to fix if it gets in an accident. That may be true. The claims show and the data shows that electric vehicles, depending on the type of electric vehicle, can be more expensive to repair. And there's a lot of factors as to why they may be true. Yes. However, but you cannot repair a life that's lost. And that is what's most important to me, saving a life. I can always buy another car. I have insurance. And if my car is in an accident, it's a total loss, and my family's totally safe, I do not care about that vehicle. The only thing I care about is my family's safety, because you can't get a person back, but you can get a new vehicle. And so I hope you got some value out of this. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And I want to know your thoughts on this. And if you're not an electric vehicle owner, I want to hear your opposition. You can come in and say, hey, all the information provided is incorrect. Yeah, I know Johnny down the street, cousins, auntie, brother, had an electric vehicle and he got in an accident and everyone died, it exploded. And the body parts, everyone evaporated. So yeah, just let me know your opposition. And as always, please like and subscribe if you like this content. But that's all I have for today. I'd like to thank you for joining me once again. And I can't wait to see you on the next video.